Welcome to Car Injury Lawyers. When dealing with a car injury case, asking the right questions can help you choose the best lawyer for your needs. Here are 5 crucial questions to ask your car injury lawyer. Let's get started. The first question to ask is about their experience. Inquire about the number of car injury cases they've handled and their success rate. A lawyer with a proven track record in similar cases will likely be more effective in handling your claim. Ask for their assessment of your case. A good lawyer should provide an honest evaluation of the strengths and weaknesses of your case, potential challenges, and an estimated timeline for resolution. Effective communication is vital. Ask how they will keep you updated on your case's progress. Will they provide regular updates via email, phone calls, or meetings? Ensure their communication style matches your preferences. Discuss the lawyer's fees and costs upfront. Most car injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, but clarify the percentage they charge and any additional costs you might be responsible for, such as court fees or expert witness expenses. Understanding their strategy is crucial. Ask about their approach to handling your case, including how they plan to gather evidence, negotiate with insurance companies, and if necessary, prepare for trial. Asking these questions will help you make an informed decision when selecting a car injury lawyer. A good lawyer should be transparent, knowledgeable, and committed to your case. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable tips. Until next time, take care.